Hi and welcome. This is the first video in our FastNetMon Live View series. Across these videos we will cover everything from installation and setup through to configuration and day-to-day management. This video is the step 1 in this series. We will install FastNetMon on a fresh Ubuntu server and verify that everything is running correctly. Even if you don't plan to use Live View, the installation process is exactly the same, so this video applies to all new FastNetMon deployments. I will leave all the relevant documentation and resources down below in the description for your easy access. This will be a very easy one, so let's get started. Before installing FastNetMon, you will need a trial or production license. You can request a trial license from FastNetMon website. Once it is approved, you'll have access to the installer. I'm connected to the server over SSH, so we are ready to begin here. Now, let's download the official FastNetMon installer. And next, we will make it executable. And then we can start the installation. The installer automatically verifies the operating system, downloads the packages and installs FastNetMon and configures all the necessary services. This may take a minute or two, but while we are waiting, I can run through the system prerequisites for installing FastNetMon. So for this particular demonstration, I am using a fresh installation of Ubuntu server 2404 LTS. It's running on a virtual machine. FastNetMon supports Ubuntu, Debian 12.13, also RHEL based distributions like Alma Linux, Rocky, CentOS 8 and 9. And you can check the up-to-date full list supported operating systems. It's in the documentation linked below. For the production deployments, just make sure your server meets the hardware recommendations. They're listed in the documentation, especially if you are monitoring high volume networks. And that's about it. The installer has finished. We can now verify that FastNetMon service is running. So there, and the service report should show you that it's active and running. That's it. And it was easy. In the next video, we'll set up FastNetMon Live View and we'll start configuring your installation. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.